Welcome to a what I got for Christmas video. I know this might not be the year to do these, but I still wanted to do it and I still wanted to film it in a way, so here we are. I know some people are thinking of not doing these this year, and I know some people are still like on the fence. Me here, hi, I've been on the platform for almost 10, 11 years now, honestly, but this channel has only been on for like 6. It doesn't look like I've been on here for long, but I have been, and for me, it's honestly just tradition for me to watch these, and the fact that there's none out and it's Boxing Day, I'm just here like, wow. And I usually do a Boxing Day haul as well with mine, and the only thing I've done so far is buy jeans from American Eagle, which is a classic for me to get, so here you go. Boxing Day haul too. But even then, I am on another lockdown in Ontario, so I am not working for another month, and could be longer or could be shorter, we do not know. So that is my Christmas. How is yours going? This Christmas has been very weird. I saw my brother on my parents' front driveway, 6 feet apart, even more honestly, actually, with masks on. Had to give him his gift by placing it down the ground. At least I got to see him open it. That was nice. But yeah, I couldn't see my brother really. Like technically I did, but another way too, I really didn't. Yeah, this Christmas has been weird. And also too, as well, since I'm now an adult and my parents are like, here's some money, buy yourself something nice. So I will tell you what I got with their money that they gave me. So they gave it to me around Black Friday, and with that, I hate myself in one way for getting this item, but I got AirPods. I've been thinking about getting them for a few years, honestly, since they've been a thing, basically. They were on sale because of Black Friday, so for once I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. So I got the charging case, like not a wireless case. I got the normal like plug-in case. I got rugs for my house, and I don't know. I think my house tour will be a few videos away, so I'm just going to insert photos of the rugs I got. So I got the same type of rug, just 2 different sizes for different areas in the house. One in the living room, which is a 5x8, and then one in my bedroom, which is a 4x6. I just wanted a rug on my side of the bed because the other side of my bed is my dog's cage crate. Yeah, I now have a rug in my bedroom, which is in the basement too, so it's really nice to have a rug in there. Those are what the things I got from my parents, but for myself, because like I said, they just gave me money. And then as well for myself, like actually my own money for myself, I got the Wild Till 9 hoodie. Again, I will insert the photo because I don't have it here because I bought it, but I ordered the Wild Till 9 bone hoodie. I think it's just called bone because like the color of it, not because of like any innuendos that they have on their podcast yet. I do listen to the podcast. I watch it on YouTube. It's so funny. If you do not know what Wild Till 9 is, it is Lore DIY's podcast with boyfriend Jeremy, and it's just really good. I would not say it's educational, but it's good for people who are young and are learning a lot, because they do say a lot of like, you know, their own experiences, what's like they did and like what they wish they knew. So it would be good for younger people to watch. I'm like around Lauren's age, like I'm 24, she's 27. So like she's the same age as my brother roughly, so I always just like see her as like an older sister. Those are like the big gifts, and now here we are with the small things in front of me. I already posted this online, but it is a keychain thing, and it's just shears and then like a V, because my name starts with a V, and my birthstone, and I just think it's really cute, personalized. And she told me too, this is from a Etsy shop within Canada, which is really nice to support small businesses. This pink backpack, so cute, love it. When you see my house tour, you'll see I love like this shade of pink, like a dusty, not vibrant pink is like my favorite pink. When I opened up the package, it had the card first. I ignored the bag, saw the card, and then in the card it said, P.S. look in the bag. So in the bag was one of those surprise gift bag things from like any store, honestly, like a bunch of them sell it, but the one that she got me was from Ardennes, which I used to shop at a lot, and I haven't been in a while, but so in a little surprise bag, I got these cool like silver earrings with like hoops. Not hoops, but just like, you know, circles going down it. These hair clips are so cool. Like with the silver one here too, I'm thinking of doing like a look for New Year's on my Instagram, and just like wearing it on New Year's too to have some type of festivity-ness. I do personally myself prefer gold, so I got some gold ones, which is really nice. So this is from my brother. He said this is a charcuterie board, but you could use it for like a cutting board too, honestly. but it's made to like have like a little indent here for like the sauces or like jams for crackers, hummus, that type of ish. And then you can put down like all the meats and cheeses here. And I got into charcuterie last year because of my workplace. They all love it. Like honestly, this is just a nice one, and I can add it to my collection of other like cutting boards and like serving trays. And then as well for my brother, I also have a mug that says this. So it says tired but inspired, and this literally perfectly sums up myself because I'm always like inspired to do things, especially with my YouTube channel. I think of video ideas all the freaking time, but because of my job, I'm on my feet all day whenever I am at the salon, 5 days a week. Tired but inspired is really what I am nowadays. Yeah, I got a sleep mask and a mug. I got some new like kitchen stuff. Like this would be good to like coat vegetables or meats with like a sauce, barbecue sauce, anything. Honestly, I like putting sriracha on like vegetables and then roasting them in the oven. That's been really good, so I might do that with this. And this, my mom said, is more so like a scraper, but it could be used as a spatula or something, I guess, too, because that's what I initially thought when I saw it. So I get my nails done by my nail guy. I go and see him every month. It's only once a month now, which is really nice, but I will not be able to see him this month because of the lockdown and everything. I hope we can come back to work sooner rather than later. But my parents got me like a little nail kit. So I have like scissors in here, even tweezers, which is great because I needed tweezers, nail clips, a nail file, and even just some things just like clean out your nails, which is really nice because I swear sometimes I get gunk underneath my nails, and especially right now it's important to like, you know, be clean, stay sanitized, and I sanitize and wash my hands so much. So the fact now that I have something for my nails is really nice. I also got Ferrero Rocher, a classic like Christmas candy, I'd say. It's one of my favorites. I don't really buy stuff like this. I'm more so, whenever I'm at the grocery store, I get like salty things, if anything, and maybe ice cream if I'm feeling like sweet. So I don't really get chocolate like this, which is really nice for once I have. And then speaking of, in here we just have assortments of like Lindt chocolates. I love dark chocolate, partially because I am lactose intolerant and my body cannot just like handle milk chocolate. Like for me to have Ferrero Rocher, I need to take a lactate or just have one and not feel the consequences, because I feel like it's only when I have like two I feel it or more. So yeah, so dark chocolate for the win for me. This was a shocker in my stocking. Like everything here was a stocking unless I said like it's for my friends or for my brother, because my brother wrapped it and placed it down on the ground and then I grabbed it. So this was in my stocking and it's like business cards and it says more good hair days, Valerie Perkins, hairstylist. Has my email, my phone number. I will not show you that part, but the back has like appointments, like time and everything. It's like a bunch of those business cards from people who get their hair done with me. And yeah, it'll just be a nice little like thing to have when I'm back at work. And Eos Lip Balm. Honestly, I haven't used these things in forever, but when I saw it, I was like, oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. I forget why I stopped using them, but I just did. And maybe there's a reason why. Maybe I found out something about the brand or something, because I've been trying to like put my mouth where my money is and like support sustainable brands for the most part, and like, but it's bringing back old memories, which is nice. And it's in the strawberry sorbet flavor or like color for like the balm part. And then I got a face mask like holder, which is brilliant if you ask me, because I just literally put mine in my pockets or the pocket in my purse that I'm using at the time. I work as a hairstylist. I have a new one every day, or I clean them weekly. And I got another mask too from Legion, so like it supports the veterans here in Canada. So a little mask holder and a mask. And then my last pink thing, so like I said, I got AirPods for myself, and I have an Apple Watch from last year, and also I have an iPhone. So this is like a multi like charging thing for everything, and it has like all the slots for like all the charging cords, which is really nice because none of my stuff is like wireless. So it's really nice that this is all like plugged in still. So one for my phone, AirPods, and my watch can like go around this part here. Yep, perfect. If it's charged in, it'll be straight up like that. That's perfect. Beautiful. Love that for me. Folklore. I love Taylor Swift. Love her. Folklore is an amazing album. I love it. I have been listening to Evermore a lot on repeat. And yeah, I'm just excited to have this. I get every album from her. I have a Polaroid camera, and if you've watched me before, you know film is a classic for me, and I have all of these on my fridge at the moment, and I've been thinking about being good with my Polaroid, taking photos with it and switching it from my fridge to an actual part of a wall in my house somewhere. It's an external hard drive, but if you can see, my parents basically digitized all of our actual photos from when we were younger. So in the hard drive has photos of me and my brother, me and my birthday parties, and it's filled up to the brim. This is a this is a 1 terabyte. It felt like a 2 terabyte one, just the weight and everything. I have a bunch for my videos and everything. They digitized everything that we used to have in actual albums, which is a lot of work, honestly. That took so long, and I know because I helped her and she did not tell me they were doing this. I just thought we were digitizing them to have on their computer, but this was very sweet because the fact now I have them. I almost cried when I saw that. And I even helped. Next, I got another Google Home thingy, and now another one for my bedroom. I use Google Docs, Google Calendar. I may be a big Apple person, but when it comes to anything document-wise, it's Google for me. So this can still be good with that. It says here too, if I get the Phillips Hue Lights, which I've been thinking of getting, that'll be cool to work with and everything. And also too, as I know with the TVs and everything, and I'm going to be getting another one for my bedroom in the next year and a bit, so I can play with that too, which is really cool and really nice. So that's really nice and cool and helpful too, because I was going to buy one, but then my parents were like, any ideas? And I said, honestly, a Google Home, because I want another one. And I said too, I don't care what kind, at least then there's some kind of surprise element, because they have the ones with the screens nowadays. They still have the big guy, but these guys are more popular. And then too, I am wearing a pair of these, so I got some nice Adidas socks, and everyone I gave gifts to knows this. I made everyone tie-dyed socks from Adidas. I tie-dyed socks for everyone, and I want to do more tie-dyes, so I'm going to tie-dye one of these. Like I said, I'm wearing a pair right now, really comfy. And then my very last thing, a calendar. So right now I have the big standing calendar in my living room. It looks so nice, and I'm probably going to just keep it up because right now I can't find it anywhere. It is sold out. But this one is of New York, and I love New York. I've been twice. It shows off all the architecture and everything. Oh, you can't see that. So it shows off just areas, and also too, it's in black and white, which in my opinion is my vibe. Look at this. This is my vibe, my aesthetic, and just what I'm into. Black and white and sparkly things, at least with the lights here, kind of shimmers. This is really good. And also too, unlike my parents say my extended calendar is not helpful. It is just, I can't write on it because that would ruin the aesthetic. So at least this one I can write appointments on and everything, and it'll be helpful, and it'll just go in my kitchen. So yeah. So that's everything I got for Christmas this year. Definitely wasn't a lot, but it's not about what you get, it's about why they gave it to you, especially the personalized stuff. That means so much. That's why too I did the tie-dye socks. Because I did it, I made them, and don't worry, I washed and cleaned them and also sanitized everything whenever I sent gifts out. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas, because there's so many holidays around this time, but me and my family personally do. But yeah, so just thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate every single one of you who has watched this video, especially if you've watched this far. Damn it, thank you so much if you're still here. If you like what you see, if you like my type of vibe and everything, it would truly mean the world if you were to subscribe or even just hit the like button, because that truly helps small creators. I will see you guys here next video, and if I don't, have a good day, have a good year, have a good everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.